This is a very important event to the college because it allows us to showcase a world-class maritime college to the maritime community of Glasgow. And as we help celebrate this anniversary of the GS Queen Mary, we also have the first chance to introduce some of these stakeholders to this super campus.
The whole history of Clyde steamers goes back to 1812 with Henry Bell's Comet, and we now have the opportunity to restore the Queen Mary, the last in the line of these. So it'll be a fantastic ambassador for Scotland, Glasgow and everything about that.
Queen Mary is an integral part of our maritime and industrial heritage, and so we want to preserve the past. It's intrinsically worthwhile to do that.
I'm delighted to get a chance to address this on behalf of the City of Glasgow. As I am the first citizen of Glasgow, it's amazing to see so many people come here and celebrate heritage.
The very idea of restoring it, so it's a resource for the people of Glasgow, was just fascinating for me. Also, Glasgow's connection with shipbuilding was just a great temptation. So I've come here and I'm going to sing a couple of songs, and it's a great pleasure.
That's why I'm here tonight, just to sort of spread the word about that and let people know that the Queen Mary's got a life. It will have a life, and it'll go for another 85 years if we get it right. And some of the people here and a lot of the people outside of here can be responsible for helping that happen.